Good afternoon, students. Yet another video on issue of shares, part 3B. 3A, perhaps you all have seen. Now 3B. I will recap one part. That is, in installment, 2 entries for application, 2 entries for allotment, 2 entries for calls. That will be 6 entries. 1 entry you receive the money, 1 entry you transfer the money to the capital. In the time of application, you receive cash first, but then onwards, allotment and calls, you first make the transfer to the capital and then you make the receiving of cash. You may receive the cash at the time of application, as we see in this sum. Before that, we will be doing the journal entries: bank to share application to share capital. If excess money, then to allotment. If still excess, to calls. If still excess, then to bank, refund money. Similarly, allotment we make due or transfer, share allotment to share capital. Then we receive the allotment money if required, bank to share allotment. Then share first and final call to share capital. If premium is still there, then to security premium. Premium is always with capital. CP, capital and premium goes together. Bank to share first and final call. Let's see the sum. JAS Limited offered for subscription 5,000 equity shares of 100 each at a premium of 10%. 100 rupees, 10% premium is 10 rupees. If nothing is mentioned in the sum, then allotment. The premium is added with the allotment on 1st April 2017. Company received application of 20,000 shares. Company allotted the shares and transferred the excess application money to allotment and calls. Prepare journal, ledger and balance sheet. Installments are 30, 40 plus 10, that is 50 and 30. Let's do the journal entries first. First entry, we see that we are receiving bank to share application 6 lakhs. Why 6 lakhs? 20,000 shares we have received, so 20,000 into 30, so 6 lakhs. Now 6 lakhs excess money you have received, very much excess. So share application account debit, how much application credit, that much application will be debited. Similar with allotment and calls, how much debit, that much credit. To share capital 1,50,000, to share allotment 2,50,000, to share first and final call 1,50,000, and to bank the refund money. How these all are coming? To share capital, the application money 30 rupees per share, 5,000 into 30, because company is still allotting only 5,000 shares, though company has received 4 times the asked number of shares. Next, to allotment 2,50,000, that is 50 into 5,000, 40 plus 10, 50, and share first and final call 5,000 into 30, 1,50,000. To bank 50,000. The excess money 5,50,000, 6 lakhs we have received, so 50,000 still excess. So that we have nothing to do, we will refund it. So you notice that we have already received the allotment money, we have already received the first and final call along with the application only. We have to just transfer this excess money to the capital. Share allotments, transfer excess money, transfer to the capital and premium. Share allotment to share capital to SPR, 5,000 into 40 and 5,000 into 10 SPR, 2,50,000 transferred like that. First and final call we are transferring 1,50,000 and to share capital 1,50,000. So we have already transferred. Now we will be preparing the ledger account. If you notice, only once we are receiving the money through bank, the first entry bank to share application, that also 6 lakhs. So 6 lakhs to share application, and then we are refunding. When we are refunding, it is nothing but 50,000 we are refunding. So by share application 50,000, and the rest of the amount is the balancing figure. By balance carried down, to balance brought down. We have not mentioned the date because date was not there in the sum. Otherwise, we would have to mention the date. Share capital account. Share capital, see the journal where capital has come 3 places. Once over here for application, One's over here for allotment, and one's over here for first and final call. Now, see, first and final call 1,50,000, for allotment 2 lakhs, and for application 1,50,000. See, buy share application 1,50,000, buy share allotment 2 lakhs, and buy share first and final call 1,50,000. Total 5 lakhs. Our balancing figure, capital has a credit balance, buy balance brought down 5 lakhs because capital is a liability, credit balance. Similarly, SPR, notice the entry, share allotment account debit 2,50,000 to a share capital 2 lakhs, and SPR, that is security premium reserve. Security, you don't write in short form, you should write security premium reserve, or security premium reserve is 50,000, and when we are making the journal, the ledger in security premium reserve, we will be writing buy share allotment 50,000, and the balancing figure is the credit column only. Now we need to prepare the balance sheet. In the balance sheet, we have only note 1, note 2, and note 3. 3 notes. So first of all, before going through the figures, we have to first see the notes to accounts. Notes to accounts on share capital, whether told or not, whether written anything or not in the sum. If you are asked to prepare balance sheet, you have to prepare the notes to accounts on share capital. This is the particular item where you have to prepare, and this item, authorized capital, where written in the sum or not, you have to record. As in this sum, nothing about authorized capital is given. So it is authorized capital, ... equity shares of rupees ... each. So how much equity shares, that is not mentioned. So we have given ... How much is the value of each share? We can write over 100 because nothing is mentioned about authorized. We are not writing anything. We can write 100 also. If information would have been given, you would have written. Nothing in the amount column because nothing to be recorded over there about authorized capital. Then the issued capital, company has issued only 5,000 shares of 100 each. So company is going to receive 5 lakhs. Now how much people have applied and company has subscribed? Applied and company subscribed. People applied for 20,000 shares, but company has subscribed only 5,000 shares. Excess money was transferred. This was the question. 5,000 equity shares of 100 each. Subscribed capital has 2 parts: subscribed and fully paid up, subscribed and not fully paid up. So subscribed and fully paid up, 5,000 equity shares of 100 each, because there is no issue, no shares where calls in arrear is there. So entire 5 lakhs we have received. So that is fully paid up. Then we will see that the entire capital, how much is then? 5 lakhs. Share capital is nothing but 5 lakhs. Share capital is 5 lakhs total. Share capital 5 lakhs total. This figure will only go in the balance sheet. See the balance sheet, 5 lakhs total equity share capital, or just share capital note 1. Reserves and surplus is note 2. Let's see that note. Reserve, security premium reserve under reserves and surplus, note 2. Then 5,000 into 10, 50,000. See in your balance sheet, it is 50,000 over here, note 2, 50,000. Total of the liability side is 5,50,000. Similarly now, note 3. Note 3 is cash and bank balance. Cash and bank balance, which is coming under current asset, an asset part. That is bank balance 5,50,000, which has come from the bank account, or simply cash book, bank column. That is 5,50,000 was the balance. 5,50,000 was the cash balance, which is over here, 5,50,000. It is a debit balance, so asset 5,50,000. So now this 5,50,000 is the cash and bank balance, 5,50,000. Total is 5,50,000. So asset is equal to liability, liability is equal to asset. Now this is your homework, students. JS Limited offered for subscription 8,000 equity shares of 10 each at a premium of 10% on 1st April 2019. Company received application of 10,000 equity shares. Company allotted the shares and transferred the excess application money to allotment and calls. If required, it may be only till allotment. Journalize and prepare the balance sheet. One more word we can write instead of writing excess application money transferred to allotment and calls. We can write pro rata allotment was done. That also means the same thing. Installments are application rupees 3, allotment 4 plus rupee 1, 4 plus rupee 1, and first and final call is 3. Why rupee 1? Because 10% premium. If this word would not have been mentioned over there, then also you would take rupee 1 over here only. In this part only rupee 1 you would have to pay. Because nothing mentioned means premium is always with allotment. Hope I have made it clear. Thank you, students. Thanks for watching.